Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up grass-fed smash burgers. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. Cooking up some thick bacon on the Blackstone. Put that down first. Get a little grease after. And then you throw down your grass-fed beef burger. And then just a regular old smash. Now on the burgers, when I smash them down, pull up that parchment paper, we're going to add some Cosmos Cube Texas beef. Oh hell yeah, great rub. Little Dukes. Little ketchup. Oh yeah. Some onions. Tomato. Bit of romaine lettuce. Brown that bad boy. Oh yeah. It's Mother's Day weekend. Wish your mother a happy Mother's Day. And here in central New York, it's supposed to snow this weekend. There were some flakes in the air on my way home from work tonight. Come on, man. May, come on. No more snow, please. So, let's take a taste test on this big beast. Squash that sucker down. Oh. Alright, we're going to set this up different. Oh, yeah. It smells pretty damn good. Let's give her a shot with some of that burnt cheese. Oh, yeah. Pretty damn good. It is a little different. Never had a grass-fed burger. Now I got 2 smash burgers. Oh, hell yeah. It's not bad. That's a good ass burger. Do I taste much of a difference? Not really. Just being honest with you. Not really. But yeah, it's not nearly as greasy as a regular 80-20 burger. This was 85-15. It was a little leaner, obviously. You're going to have less grease. But the texture's a little different. Especially making the balls to make the smash burger. It went together way differently. It was more mushy. Pasty. There you go. It was more of a paste. First time ever trying it. Decent. I wouldn't say no to one. Oh, hell no. Cheers. So as the world gets back to normal, hopefully soon, very soon, go wish your mom a happy Mother's Day and birthday if it is. Anyway, I'm going to go and devour up this burger. This was about the only meat I could find today, which is strange. Grass-fed beef. So, made some smash burgers out of it. Damn delicious. And you should try it out if you never tried it. Why not? Yeah, it's about the only thing you can find right now. The expensive stuff. A lot of people ain't buying that. So, hi. Big Cook coming tomorrow, guys. So with that, folks, subscribe if it's your first time here. Leave a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up and smash that dinner bell. Because that's what time it is. Oh.